Welcome to another video. Today we're going to draw a sunflower and I have a very special guest with me. What's your name?
Josephine.
Yeah, she loves to draw and she's actually really good at drawing. So let's get started. What are we going to draw today?
A sunflower.
A sunflower. Great, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw a circle. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. And now we're going to draw grids inside this circle.
With
Just lines. Grids are just lines that are angled to each other, making this mesh design. Yeah. Is your favorite flower the sunflower?
yeah.
What do you call the sunflower?
Sunshine.
Sun. Oh my. All right. After we're done with that, we can draw the petals. You can make the petals as long or as short as you want it to be, but they're just gonna be almond shapes all around this circle. And then we can also fill in with these half almond shapes, like just a little triangle peak. Fill in between the petals to make more petals, make a fuller sunflower. Do that. Now we have a super full sunflower with lots and lots of petals.
I'm not done yet.
Yeah, it's okay. Take your time. Wow. That looks really good.
Good job.
Why is sunflower your favorite flower?
Because it can grow seeds after that and the yellow
Oh, yeah.
core.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the stems.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet? Okay.
Anthony.
You let me know when you're done.
Done.
Alright, can you say bye to everyone? Bye!
Bye!
Thank you for watching! I hope you guys have fun drawing this sunflower.